I do apologise if you can hear this chair squeaking, but it's the only stool I had, so sorry. I'm going to be creating a little hair tutorial for you guys today because a lot of people keep asking me over at my TikTok how I create my big curls. So yeah, I thought I'd jump on YouTube and show everyone how I start. So just brush through my hair. And by the way, this brush is supposed to be a hair extension brush, but it is perfect for if you have got thick hair. It's perfect. I bought mine off Amazon. Well, that was a lie. I bought one off Amazon and then I lost it, so my partner bought me another one for my birthday because I lost mine. But yeah, start off with brushing your hair. So then I go in with my Windle London thickening cream. This cream is perfect if you want to get that extra volume in your hair, especially when you want big bouncy curls. And then just apply it to your roots. This will just help get that volume back in your hair. Next, I then go in with some heat defense spray. This is the Sophiezoemain one. I normally just pick up whichever one's on offer. But yeah, I'm out. But I never go in with any heat product unless I've got any heat protection on my hair. So yeah, that's my number one rule. And then just go back in with the brush all them knots back out. If you've been following my story on TikTok or Instagram, you will know that I am having trouble with my hair lately with snapping. So yeah, I do have little short pieces dotted around all my hair, and the top is way thicker than the bottom. So yeah, please just ignore that. I actually think at the moment it's actually creating a little bit more volume than normal because it's kind of like a little layer in there. So yeah, just keep that in mind. First I section my hair. I normally do this in 3 parts. And I will be using the Molly Mae Curlers today. I forgot to mention at the start. The Molly Mae Curlers are my absolute favourite curlers at the moment to use. They're perfect for getting that big bouncy curl. And it's pink, so what's not to love? So I start off by grabbing a section of my hair. I normally do about this much at a time. If I do any more than that, I feel like my hair just loses the curls. What you want to do is always curl away from your face. Ooh. I'm not a pro curling my hair, so please, oh my god, this wire is going to be annoying. I'm going to have to change that now. I do apologise. Sorry guys, I did just have to move a little bit there because every time I was curling my hair, this was like literally right in the way. So basically, I grab a section of the hair and then I always curl away from the face. There we go. And if you just let the curl cool down in your hair for a second, I always find the curls last a little bit longer and hold its shape a little bit more. So as you can see, this curl is really bouncy, really wide, but at the end I also brush out the curl to just make that curl a bit more voluminous and, I don't know, a bit more of a subtle wave rather than a massive curl. There we go, so the next section is a little bit longer. Just wrapping that around, away from the head again, waiting a few minutes. And then holding that curl in your hand, waiting for it to cool down. And voila, you can see already how amazing these curlers are. I just love them. So I'll keep going. So guys, this is actually my first YouTube video. Well, I tell a lie. I actually did YouTube a few years back. I only made about 10 videos, but I deleted them because I got a little bit embarrassed. Blah, blah, blah. But I decided to jump back on YouTube again. So we'll see how it goes. If anybody wants to see any, I don't know, certain things from me, so vlogs, makeup tutorials, etc, then please let me know. I decided to come over here from TikTok I currently post a lot over on TikTok and Instagram, but I know a lot of people keep asking me to do little tutorials, etc. And I've had a few questions about if I'm making a YouTube, and I never really thought about it much until the past few weeks. So I thought I may as well just jump back on and see how it goes. So I do hope you like it. I'll probably fast forward a few of these bits because it gets a bit repetitive, and I'm sure you don't want to sit here for half an hour watching me curl my hair. And I can't find my brush. It's in my lap. I know I mentioned TikTok earlier. How do people feel about TikTok? Because I know at the start it was kind of known for like a kids app and etc etc. But I know in lockdown 1, a lot of people turned to TikTok. Me, I'm one of them, and I really enjoy it. I have a lot of fun on there. I've virtually met a lot of people on there too, which is amazing. So I've made new friends. But yeah, how are you guys loving it? Do you love TikTok? Do you hate TikTok? Do you think it's childish? Don't tell me that. Now my hair, I did wash my hair about 2 days ago, so it's not freshly clean, but I actually normally do it from freshly clean, so it is probably going to be a little less bouncy than I normally do it, but you'll still get to see how it's done. I do apologise for looking down all the time. I can't like look up and do it. It's weird. I should not have wore this jumper. I am boiling. So as you can see, there's one side done, and it is very, very bouncy. But at the end, I will brush out the curls, and it will be more voluminous. Now on to the other side. Now don't judge me for the way I do this side, because I don't think it's how you're supposed to do it, but I struggle to do this side for some reason. So if anybody has any tips how to do my right side, please let me know. So this is the way I do it, but I know it's wrong. I just struggle to do it any other way, and this way is a little bit dangerous because I know the tongs is like right close to my face. But trust me, at the end, it looks fine. It looks fine. So filming on my mobile phone, so if it sounds weird, that is why. I do have a professional camera, but I need a microphone to go with it, so whenever I purchase a microphone, then it'll be better quality. But hey ho, this will do for now. There we go, so section 1 is done of my hair. Time for section 2. So when I put the next section down, it's going to be most of my hair except the front part, so kind of like a triangle in the front part. I leave that bit till last. Okay, I got a question. How the hell do YouTubers sit here with a ring light on their face? I'm absolutely boiling. I just had to go and make myself a drink, because I can't open the window because then you hear all the noise from outside. And you can't put on a fan because then you'll hear the fan. Right, back to the hair. I'm going to put the second section down, and then I just keep the front bit up. I like to do the front part of my hair at the end. I do apologise, that was my brush. So as you can see, the second part of my hair, some bits are long, some bits are short. That's because I'm having snapping in this area mostly. So just ignore how uneven it is. I am trying to grow back out, but it takes time obviously. We are just sectioning the hair, always curling away from the face. And yeah, I've used quite a lot of curlers, and I think these are the best curlers I've ever used. Like, I bit the bullet and decided to buy them a few months ago, and I'm so glad I did, because I just love them so much. Talk about the health of my hair actually. Does anybody have any tricks to help it grow or to help it stop snapping? I've currently tried everything I know in the book. I've tried Olaplex, I've got a silk pillow, hair masks, hair conditioning treatments, loads. And I know I shouldn't really be using heat on my hair, but a gal needs the curls. There you go, that side is done. Another drink break. By the way, I'm drinking chalky milkshake. I'm addicted. I'm addicted to you. So it was recently my birthday. I recently turned 25. I had a fun lockdown birthday, I suppose. My partner carried out a little treasure hunt for me to keep us both entertained, I suppose. Have you got any of you guys had a lockdown birthday yet? If so, what did you do? What did you do to entertain yourself? What did you do to enjoy your special day? I'd love to know. I'm actually waiting on the solar parcel, but I was thinking, would you guys like to see like a little fashion haul? Because I know my Instagram is mostly fashion based. I don't know, I think it'd be fun to do like a little styling video slash unboxing maybe. I think it'd just be fun to do like a little haul, a little fashion haul. There we go, so that is both sides done. Time for just the shorter bits now in the front. Now, I don't actually wear my hair in a middle pattern like this, so I don't really know why I curl my hair like this. It's just become like a little bit of a habit. But yeah, this is how I curl my hair, and then I flip it over to the side or this side at the end. Always curling away from the head. There we go, that's one side done. It does look a little bit all over the place, but obviously you can leave like this if you this is how you like it. I just like to brush them curls out right at the end. There we go, so that's both sides completely curled. So what I do next is I tip my hair upside down and I just run my fingers through my hair like this, just to separate these curls a little bit. It looks a little bit wild at the moment, but I then go in with my Molly Mae brush, excuse the hair. This brush comes with the set, so I don't think I mentioned, but it does come in like a little set, and it comes with a little heat protection glove, some hair clips so you can do pin curls, and then this brush, and I absolutely love this brush. I use it every time I curl my hair. But I then go in to just brushing those curls out. As you can see, they do come out like quite a lot, but this, I just prefer this kind of look compared to this kind of look. I just think it looks so much more sleek. I was going to say natural, but you can't really go natural because it's obviously you curled your hair, but let's go with the side. So there we go, you can see the difference that brushing those curls out give. I think it just looks so much more sleeker, so much more smooth, and just like more voluminous, like a nice finish. To put my hair on the side like this, I just think it suits me a little bit more better, but obviously you can keep it on the side if that's how you like it. But yeah. So yeah, here's the finished look. I would recommend the Molly Mae Curlers to anybody. I absolutely love the curlers, love the way my hair looks. I know she'd come out with another barrel, I think it's a little thicker barrel, so the curls will probably be the same but just a little bit more loose and more beachy, I suppose. But yeah, I hope you loved my first YouTube video. I'm sure I'm not gonna like it, but hey ho. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe, and please comment below if you'd like to see anything else from me. Vlogs, fashion videos. I don't know, let me know. But thanks again, thank you all so much. Bye.